Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to add custom product categories in Shopify, helping you organize your store more effectively and improve customer shopping experiences. Let's get into it. This video explains the process of creating custom categories or collections in Shopify. Custom categories help categorize your products to make it easier for customers to find what they need. You'll be able to create a collection based on product type, price range, or even based on tags. Let's walk through the simple steps to create custom product categories. First, log into your Shopify store. From your admin dashboard, head to the Products section. Then click on Collections. This is where you'll create and manage your product categories. To start a new collection, click on the Create Collection button at the top of the screen. Now, you'll need to name your collection. This will be the category name customers will see, so choose something clear, like men's apparel or winter sale. You can also add a description for this collection, which may help with SEO by making it easier for your store to appear in search results. Next, decide how you want to add products to the collection. Shopify gives you two options, manual and automated. For a manual collection, you'll select the products yourself. If you want Shopify to automatically add products based on specific conditions, like tags or product types, choose the automated option. For example, you could create an automated collection for all products, tagged as sale or new arrivals. You can adjust these conditions to fit your specific needs. After choosing your collection type, you can further organize it by adding custom images, which will show up on your storefront. This is a great way to visually represent your collection and make it more appealing to shoppers. Once everything looks good, click Save to create your custom category. Your collection is now live on your store, and Shopify will automatically organize it according to the criteria you've set. This method helps you create organized, easy-to-navigate sections for your customers, ultimately improving their shopping experience and boosting sales. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.